Hello everyone and welcome back to Jin Dui Kwong's YouTube channel. Every single evening at exactly 8 o'clock we will be uploading a brand new video answering various students' questions. If you definitely don't want to miss any of these helpful videos, please remember to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell icon. This way, next time I upload new videos, you will be able to see them much earlier than everyone else. In today's specific video, I am going to answer a very interesting student's question. They mentioned that when they open this particular body part, this specific side doesn't have a positioning guide, which unfortunately makes the entire production process quite difficult. So I will share the perfect solution with you right now. So normally if you draw any line, the label for that line will simply be a short Y. With this setting, when you open it up, it will absolutely never be symmetrical. If you truly want it to be perfectly symmetrical, you really need to adjust it manually. Simply right-click, select Edit Line 4, and then carefully select all the lines that you want to be mirrored over to the other side. Finally, you must set its label to a long Y instead. That means we will change it from a short Y to a long Y. And then you click Apply, okay? Now try it out. Open it up. There you go. It works right away. See that? If you want to learn more in depth about the GoPro software, you can check out the courses on the PDF Academy channel. And if you need further advice, you can message me directly. Contact me via Zalo using the phone number displayed on the screen, and I will advise you so you can choose the right course. Goodbye and see you in the next Q&A sessions.